it's Sean with Quick Attach here. I am out running the Mega Mower X 72-inch standard flow brush cutter here. A lot of people ask how it does in vegetation because, you know, a lot of times dense vegetation is Achilles heel for direct drive brush cutters. They tend to bog more. You know, you could, I have already been through with the brush buster, which has got the floating deck. Now the Mega Mower X is a rigid deck. Very robust construction. It's rated for up to 10-inch material, so you know this isn't necessarily the tool for this job. If this is all you're doing, you don't need anything this heavy duty, but a lot of people have a lot of different needs, and I just wanted to see how this does here today in the vegetation we've got growing here. And I don't know, it might have been cut once real early this year, but it's pretty dense, and we'll see how it does here. Okay, so this is our heavy duty Mega Mower X. It's got 4 axe style blades. You know, these aren't always the best for vegetation, but let's see how she does here. I'm going to tip that front end just down just a little bit. It's going to get a little rough here. There's some pretty good ruts in here. So we'll see how this does. Now with the brush buster, with the floating deck, you're not going to impact the dirt like that, but we're running a rigid mower, so this is and I'm doing it with one hand here. I'm going to tip that deck up just a little bit more. So this is a direct drive, standard flow brush cutter, as I mentioned. We'll see what it looks like when we come back. So you can see where I've cut here off to the side. Scalped. Now I'm running first speed, running wide open. Gonna get rough. I got the tip pointed up a little bit to try to keep the blades out of the dirt as we come in. Oh, there's a chunk of wood. Give you an idea of the finish it has. You know, not bad for a rigid mount 4-blade brush cutter. A standard flow, 23 gallons a minute. That's pretty darn impressive if you ask me. As I said, vegetation is always the Achilles heel of direct drive brush cutters. And I'll go out here, you can kind of see. Maybe I'd say a lot of it's but anyway, I hope that helps, and we'll see if I can find some bigger stuff next time I get out with the Mega Mower X.